Hello, and thank you for watching Direct Systems Tutorials. Today we're going to go through how to enter billing in Customer Service Dispatch Manager. Please note I am using Direct 10, which is the most recent version of our software, and so if your screen looks slightly differently than this, it's just because it's an older version, and some of the buttons have moved a little bit, but it is generally the same experience. So you'll need to be in the Changing a Job, Company Job window. And as you can see in the bottom here, we have a tick box for Use Billing. If this is not ticked, you will not be able to click on the billing charges and add billing. So make sure that that's ticked first. Then you can see in the middle at the bottom, Billing Charges button. So go ahead and click on that. Here we've already got an invoice that's been created, but we're going to create another one. So we click on Insert because we want a new billing charge to be added. And you can see everything that's in red has to be filled out, has a red asterisk, I mean. And then I'm just going to put in today's date, since that's going to be today's date. Now at the bottom here, you can see that there are a bunch of grayed out buttons. That's because this invoice is not yet created ready for billing. So we need to create it first by clicking on Add. And you'll see that that's now added this 0 amount invoice ready to add billing to. So now we can click on Edit and insert the charges as necessary, just as if you were entering them from accounts receivable. So we'll go ahead and enter a few billing codes here. And just make it nice and easy. And then save, and because that is linked to a commission code, we'll go ahead and enter a commission code here. Oh, I need to add my information agent. And then save. So we've got the booking and the commission on there. And we will go ahead and save that at this point, unless you wanted to print this. You can attach it to an AR number here, the AR file number. You can do a bunch of different things. If you wanted to send this to AR, because you're happy with it at this point, then you can click Post to AR. But we'll save it first, just because that is always a good way to do things. And then we click on Post to AR, since we're happy with this billing the way it is. And here we're going to select for posting. Click OK. And what that's done is this now has put this in a list of invoices that can be sent over to AR, because they're pretty much, they've been printed and sent to the customers. So now we'll go to Transfers and Transfer to AR. Now we're just going to view what we've got in that list. And we can see that this job that we were just on is there ready to go over to AR. So you click on Close. It's always worth double checking what's there, because you can't see it from the next screen. And then Post Invoices to AR brings up this window where you enter your branch. And the defaults are how you want to leave it. And it will generate a printed report, this tick box here. If you didn't want one, but you would, then you could untick that. And then click on Begin. And it will go through the process of moving that invoice over to your AR. And you can either print a file as a text file, or you can print portrait, so that you can either save it as a PDF from here, email it from here, the report, or just print it to your printer. So hopefully that has answered some questions that you might have about how to enter billing from Customer Service Dispatch. If you have any other questions, please do let us know. We'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you, and have a lovely day.